Hello, bee people from Dog Apiary. Dog, rat terrier, rat dog apiary. Alright, so we have hive number 3. I don't know whether it was a mating flight or a swarm or what, but yesterday a queen wound up in hive 003. Hive 002 has 2 really nice queen cells. So that one should have a queen soon. 007, I still hadn't seen a queen in there, but they're acting like they want to make a queen. Over there, the one with the honey super on top, the pink one. Or the pink one. Pink one. That's the first package. I went through it. It looked okay. Didn't see any new brood. Didn't see the queen either. So, gotta find her. The green one, I went through, made sure the queen was released. Didn't look for her. Yellow one, I went through it and made sure the queen was released. And I think that's the one I saw the queen in. So that's 007. Man, they really are acting like they want to make a queen. So I need some frames with eggs in them. From any one of the hives, the pink, the green, or the yellow. And I need those 2 queen cells to hatch and be good queens. Alright, well, that's the update on the rat dog apiary. I don't know if you can rotate the screen, but it looks better like this. Oh, okay. Bye, bee people.